I'm at the Legal Walk in the heart of London. It's the London Legal Walk, but it really starts here, but it's like a stone in a pond whose ripples go out through the entire country. It's about freedom under the rule of law, and unless you have access to justice, unless you have somebody who has a capacity to assist you get the rights that you're entitled to, there is no freedom under the rule of law. Democracy is meaningless.
We started off at the Law Society and through the parks, up to Buckingham Palace, down to the Serpentine, and then looping back round and coming back down, and we're back here now in Carey Street at the after party.
And we've walked 10 kilometres, probably 10,000 of the unfittest people in the city, so we've had a fantastic time.
The reason why the President of the Law Society, and indeed the Law Society, is supporting the sponsored legal walk is to raise vital funds in order to support access to justice and support all of those bodies that provide vital advice to the many.
We're out today because we believe in fighting for justice, and we want to make sure that all of the frontline legal services have the vital funding that they need.
If it wasn't for the London Legal Walk, we probably wouldn't exist, because I think London Legal Sport Trust was one of the first organisations when we started in 2010 that had faith in us and encouraged us to do the walk. Kind of means everything, quite sentimental for us at Harrow.
Pro bono advice is a golden thread running through our legal profession. And I'm really proud today to see the thousands of lawyers who are giving up their time freely, giving up their efforts voluntarily, all in the name of free legal advice.
It's not until people have a problem that they realise how important lawyers and the law can be. The need for a charity like yours providing free legal advice where there isn't help from the state is absolutely critical.
Justice shouldn't be reserved just for those who are better off. It needs to be there available for everyone.
Many of us are very lucky to have well-paid jobs. We have a certain position in society and at the law, and it's about time we did something else for other people.
Access to justice is under threat, and walk like this to raise vital funds is more important than ever.
When we started this walk, it was a few hundred people. Now it's several thousand, and despite the pandemic, we're still here, we're still going.
Well done to everybody taking part. Long may you keep walking.
The tragic reality for millions of people up and down the country is that there's no access to courts, there's no access to justice, there's no equality before the law because there's no lawyer to look after them. And we fought for freedom under the rule of law. It has to mean something, it has to matter. And that value is diminished unless everybody has access to justice. And for that, you need lawyers.